Now let's try and see what's happening inside this program. If you see on the first line, we have declared the package and we have named the package as main. So packages are just a mechanism for grouping all of your files together. And in fact, we have an intersection of packages a little later on in the series. Right now, just keep in mind that this is our main package. So let me put up a comment right over here. So the first thing that we want to do always is we want to declare the package. The next thing that you can see on line number 4 is we are importing a package called as fumpt. Now just as we declared this package as main, similarly we are importing a package which is called as fumpt, and this package actually comes with the Go standard library. So let me put up a comment right over here. So we are just importing the required packages. Now let us come to this function main. Now the name of this function is very important. Please keep in mind that it has to be main, because this is what your Go compiler is going to search every time it has to start executing your program. It will always search for the package of main, and inside of package of main it will always search for the function main, and this is the point from where your execution will start. So let me put up a comment right over here. So this function is going to be the starting point of our program, and what we are doing inside our main function, we are simply printing out to the console. Let me put up one last comment. So the compiler is always going to look for the package of main and the function of main. Now since we are trying to create a standalone program, that's why we have the function of main. Maybe in the future, if you are creating some kind of a library, then at that time you don't need the function of main. One more thing that I wanted to share is this one, that is the name of the file. Now since this is the package main and this file also contains our main function, that's the reason why as a convention I have written the file name as main. But this is not necessary. You can change the file name to anything. So maybe I can just say this to be hello.go. So let me open up my terminal and let us see if we can execute this file or not. Always check if you are inside the right path or not. So here it is, hello.go, and we can run by saying go run, and here you can see that we have the right output.